Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be putting you through on how I made this beautiful hair fascinator. I'll be using fabrics and already made Sinami cap. I'll be using the crinoline, the Peter Sham or the Bias, and then the Alice band. Also use a rose to decorate this. So first of all, I'll be wrapping my cap with the fabrics. I'll wrap it to beautify it with this fabric using the UHU gum. To get a smoother wrapping, I'll first of all wrap the 4 edges and then drag the rest gently to make it smooth. As I wrap, I apply the gum. Please I beg you, subscribe to my channel at Neloma TV and like this video, share and comment. You can ask your questions on the comment section and I will be right there to answer you. So when I'm done, I trim off the excess fabric from the cap. And then I secure it firmly with the UHU gum in case there are some parts that are not well secured. So I'll be using the barriers to clean up the edges where the Sinami and the fabric met. Where I folded them, I'll be using the barriers to smoothen it. So I'm measuring my hair for the fishnet so that it will not be too small or too big. I am tacking my fishnet on the cap, on the top of the cap. As I tack, I pleat in a round format, but would not let it go fully round. I'll be making a rosy kind of design using my crinoline to embellish the hat. So watch as I design it in a bow tie manner, and at the end of the day it will turn into a rosy type. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification buttons for more DIYs, more videos, and your comments are welcomed on the comment section. You can equally ask your questions there. We'll be right there to answer you every of your questions. So here I am forming my petal rose. As you can see, it's very simple. Just you can make anything with your crinoline. So when I'm done, I tack it to my fascinator and then add my Alice band under it. I tack my rosy embellishment as well and then tack it on top of my fascinator exactly where I pleated the fishnet. Thank you for watching my channel and have a beautiful time.